The other Jamaican competitor in the morning session, Nayoka Clunis, in the women's hammer throw qualification, ranked, I believe, 44th in the world coming in. Daniel, do you see her advancing to the final? Of course, many persons didn't see Samantha Hall going to the discus final.
Well, she can, definitely. When I recall, she's thrown just about 70.8 meters this season.
Yeah, 70.85 is her season best, 71.83 yes. Her personal best.
Thank you, Bruce. Yeah. And I think it's if she uses the same formula like Samantha Hall in the discus, where it's a morning session, all the other athletes were very sluggish, getting the jet lag out. If she's able to perform close to her best in the morning in qualification, then she can make that top 12. But it won't be easy, but it's absolutely possible.
I think we should share the number as well, Danielle. The number that she needs to hit is 74 meters. So she'd have to do better than she has ever done. I think Samantha had an easier task in that Samantha done, as you mentioned on air, 64.97, and she needed 64 to go, and she made it on her last throw at 63 plus. So I think it's a big ask for Nayoka, but she has a lot to prove, and there are the numbers there. Wow, excellent.
Yeah, 71.83 national record, 70.85 meters.
But needs 74 for automatic.
74
but
automatic.
To support Daniel's point that even though Samantha Hall did not meet the 64-meter mark, she was in the top 12.
Yeah,
so it's either
top 12.